That sharp pop from cracking a knuckle isn't your bones smashing together. Debunking that common myth reveals the true cause is simple physics happening deep inside your body. Each finger joint is filled with a special, slippery liquid that helps it move smoothly. This liquid has gas dissolved in it, like the fizz in a soda bottle. When you stretch your knuckle, you pull the joint apart, creating a tiny empty space. This sudden drop in pressure causes the gas to rush out of the liquid and form a bubble. The cracking sound you hear is that gas bubble popping into existence. It's a harmless process that doesn't affect your joint health. So that loud pop is just the sound of a tiny bubble, revealing a cool secret about the amazing things happening inside your own body.